Yeah. So bookmarks is nothing but earlier we never used to have a page navigation. Right now you guys can see page navigation. If I click on one button, I'm able to navigate to another page. So that was like one interesting fact. I mean, most useful tool. But earlier we never had a page navigation. We used to do that with the help of bookmarks. And let's see how we will create bookmarks. And creating bookmarks is very sensitive. Like you need to follow the steps in a proper way. Otherwise, like you may get confused. And in your interview also, they may ask like, do you know about bookmarks? And can you please explain one example where you have used bookmarks? Okay. So for that purpose, we will see two examples today. So you కొంచెం confusing గా ఉండొచ్చు maybe because it involves more steps, but all steps you need to do one by one only. So for that purpose, so please try to understand as much as possible. So for example, I will take data. I will connect to a folder, get data, more. I will connect to a folder, the same file, action films, awful films, the same folder I am going to connect. This is in this in download. Here with the data. This is the folder. Okay, these four I wanted to combine them, combine and let's load directly. No need to transform. So films, I am on the name of film sheet, I am combining. Okay, so here I will take the same concept. Let me take one card visual, and in this I will take count of title, which will give me total movies 326. Okay, so I'm not going to create more visuals right now because my agenda is something different today. I wanted to create a bookmark. Okay, this is 326 total movies, and let me create one more visual along with this. I will name it as total movies, and below this NS slicer in a column chart. In a column chart in the axis, again I will take year. I'm just considering year in the axis, and in the values I'm taking count of title. So this type of visual we have already seen earlier when we were working. Okay, same thing we have already seen. So I'm not taking much time to do this. Quickly, let's complete this. Okay, now we have a report which is showing total movies and movies distribution by each year. Okay, so this is for all the movies together. And if you want only for action movies, so what I will do, I will take one slicer here. Okay, in this slicer, I will take the genre column. Now I have an option. If I click on action, this dashboard will filter for action films. And if I click on like awful, it will filter for awful, comedy and romance. Okay. This is how it will filter out for each entire page will get filter out for this selection. Okay. Now, for example, let us imagine we are creating bookmarks using, bookmarks for only action and comedy films. Okay, so right now this page is for complete action movies because I have selected action. Total movies is 165, and this split is with respect to action movies. So this page heading I can give it as action movies. I'm just taking the heading, so let me adjust it. And let us align this as well. Okay, this page title is action movies. I don't want any background for this. Yeah, this page title is action movies. Now if someone click on one button here, so that button will be something like this: insert bookmarks blank button. And if they click on this button, it will look something like this here, and the text will be on it. So text will says like comedy movies, and let me make some 20 as font. So now if someone click on this button, this page should change to comedy movies, and this button should change to action movies. Ante right now I am in actions movies page. I can understand it very clearly. When I click on comedy movies, I should go to comedy movies page within the same page. Okay, within the same page. Earlier we have this option using page navigation. Within the same page change cheyalanటే we will be using bookmarks. You can use bookmark for both within the same page or to the another page as well, but page navigation you cannot use within the same page. We need to use bookmarks. Okay, so I have created one button for comedy movies. I will copy paste this button, paste that button exactly on top of that previous button, and I will rename it as action. Steps అన్ని అర్థమవుతాయి. Please give me some time, you guys can understand. So I have created two buttons here, one above the other. One button is action movies, second button is comedy movies. And here copy paste this title also, and let me paste it exactly on top of the I mean another one, which is action. And here I will rename it as comedy, and I may need to increase its size. Let's adjust both of them for same size. Okay, so now we have action movies, comedy movies buttons one above the other, and action movies title and comedy movies title one above the other. Now we will go to the selections. I mean in the view section you can see selection and bookmarks. Okay, so right now as I said you, I am in action movies page. Ante ikkada action slicer select ayindi, ee page lo anta data action movies anamata. So now what I need to do is I don't want this comedy movies title. So this is what the comedy movies text box is. So I am going to hide it. Okay, now I have, after hiding it, I can see only action movies. And in the buttons, I will hide one button and see what is the another button. So this is comedy movies. Perfect. And now in the slicer, I will hide this slicer. After selecting action movies, I will hide this slicer as well. Okay. Ippudu this page is giving me complete information of action movies. So now I will click on add. I mean, I have clicked already. So let me delete it. So now I will click on add part here. So now I can create a bookmark. I will say this as an action. Okay. So now let's unhide them. 1, 2, 3. I have unhidden them. And now instead of action, let me select comedy. And instead of hiding this text box, I need to hide this text box. Instead of hiding this button, I need to hide this button. Okay. And I need to hide slicer as well. Now this page is for the comedy movies. Okay. So we have two things. We have created two buttons using action movies and comedy movies. ఎప్పుడైతే స్లైసర్ లో కామెడీ మూవీ సెలెక్ట్ చేసామో అప్పుడు ఒక బుక్ మార్క్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం అనమాట, కామెడీ కామెడీ అని చెప్పి. వెన్ ఎవర్ వీ హ్యావ్ సెలెక్టెడ్ action in the slicer, I have created action movies bookmark here. Okay, so now for these two buttons I need to provide that action. Okay, let me open the selection again. So first for this action movies, go to the action of that button and go to the type. Here you need to choose bookmark, and in the bookmarks I need to choose action as the input. and I don't want any tooltip for it. Done. And unhide the another button. So select the second button, go to action, choose the bookmark. The second button is comedy, so select comedy, and I don't want any tooltip. Just turn this off. Okay, so let's close all this, and now let's check. So right now I am on comedy movies page. I can see there are total 134 movies and remaining split per each year. And now if I click on this right now, as I am on desktop, Power BI desktop environment, I need to hold control and press this key. I am holding control and I am pressing it. Now you can see this page has switched to action movies, 165 movies, and their split. So same page, different reports, action movies, comedy movies. Okay, this is how the output look like after using bookmarks. This is most probably used in various reports, like if the report is like this. So if the report is in this way, for example, you have created one slicer in the top left corner like this, and beside below this you would have created one more visual, something like this. Okay, and here you have created one card. ఒక random example కోసం చెప్తున్నా ఇదంతా. So here you have created one card, and here in the right side part what you will be creating is using the similar type of concept. For example, if it is sales per region, here you can show top 10 sales per region text box. Let me do that as well. Text box, top 10 sales. Okay, so top 10 sales by region. So if you take this on the left on as an heading, so it's like a button అన్నమాట. ఇది ఒక బటన్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ టాప్ 10 మీద క్లిక్ చేసినప్పుడు ఈ కింద విజువల్ ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ విజువల్ విల్ షో టాప్ 10 సేల్స్. Okay, if they click on bottom 10 sales besides that, this visual will change to bottom 10, exactly similar to this. But ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసామంటే we have hidden buttons. ఇక్కడ బటన్ ని హైడ్ చేసాము, టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్ ని హైడ్ చేసాము. బట్ హియర్ ఇక్కడ ఏం హైడ్ చేయాలంటే ఈ విజువల్ ని హైడ్ చేయాలి. విజువల్ 2 కాపీస్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి. టాప్ 10 సేల్స్ కోటి, బాటమ్ 10 సేల్స్ కోటి. ఓకే, టాప్ 10 కోటి, బాటమ్ 10 కోటి, ఇట్లా 2 విజువల్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలన్నమాట మనము యూజింగ్ టాప్ ఎన్ ఫంక్షన్ యూజ్ చేసి. యూ కెన్ క్రియేట్, ఐ మీన్ ఫంక్షన్ కాకపోయినా యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ద ఫిల్టర్స్ అండ్ you can choose top n. So if I click on this visual should show bottom values, and if I click on this visual should show top values. In this kind of situation kada ee bookmarks chaala help avutayi same page lone check cheyadaniki. So all the reports are something different, they will not change, only these buttons will talk to this visual, and if you click on it, it will change. Okay, so in real time you will be having a page navigation kakunda, you will be having a best use of this as well, bookmarks as well. You will be using these bookmarks, they will help you a lot in real time. Okay, so any doubts? ఇది కంపల్సరీ మీరు ఆల్మోస్ట్ 10 times ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది. సో I took when I was learning this, I used to see the YouTube video and pause that, and like that I used to practice. But yeah, you also need to do the in a similar way. You need to practice it, otherwise it will be a bit confusing. Okay, for your information, I will create one more bookmark button which will help you a lot in real time.
Sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Filters can be applied by using either filters or else DAX functions. Is there any mandatory by applying only DAX or else filters?
Sorry, I didn't understood your question.
ఫిల్టర్స్ అనేది మనం ఫిల్టర్స్ ఆప్షన్ యూస్ చేసి ఫిల్టర్స్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదా డాక్స్ ఫంక్షన్స్ యూస్ చేసి ఫిల్టర్స్ చేయొచ్చు. కానీ మనం రియల్ టైంలో క్లయింట్ తరపు నుంచి యూ హ్యావ్ యూజ్ ఓన్లీ డాక్స్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఆర్ యూ హ్యావ్ యూజ్ ఓన్లీ ఫిల్టర్స్ అనేది ఏమైనా ఫిక్స్డ్ గా ఉంటుందా సార్?
No, nothing. As per the requirement you can go ahead.
మన కన్వెంట్ గా ఉన్న ఏ
Yes.
ఫిల్టర్స్ అని యూజ్ చేసుకో.
Yes. Okay. And yes, we can create many bookmarks on the same page. So right now I will create one more bookmark. Imagine like మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఈ dashboard develop చేశారు, and once you publish this dashboard to service environment, you will explain your client. See boss, like this is the report available. If I click on comedy movies, so you can change to action. I mean, this bookmark will change to comedy movies page, and if I click on action movies, it will change to the action movies page. This is what I have created. You can see it's very informative. And he says like, yeah, this is very nice. Let me take this report. So he will take this report and you will move out of that project, saying like, ante work ayipothe we will keep on moving. We will go to another project, and you will move to another project, and your client will also move to another project. He or else he may leave the organization as well. ఈ రిపోర్ట్ అతనికి ఎలా అయితే అర్థమవుతుందో అలా క్రియేట్ చేసింటారు అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు అతని ప్లేస్ లో ఒక న్యూ పర్సన్ వస్తే ఇట్స్ నాట్ వెరీ ఈజీ ఫర్ దమ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ డన్. So for that purpose, we can provide one small information button which will help you and your client as well to understand how each visual is working. So for that, like I have shown you in the initial stages, there is a transparent background. I mean, websites you can find for the icons, logos with transparent background. I have this information logo available. I have downloaded it. So let us go back to Power BI. And I will insert image. It is in my downloads. This is the image. Okay, I will place it somewhere in the top left or top right corner, most probably. Okay. Sorry, just a second. Yeah. So I have provided one information button on top right corner. So if they see like, if you want, you can provide a tooltip for it. Right now, I am not going to provide any tooltip. So ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఏం కావాలంటే, if I click on this info button, I should see one masked layer and I should understand like what's happening in this dashboard. So it is also a bit complex. Please follow my steps carefully. First, I will insert one shape, rectangular shape, and I will take this for the entire page. Like this. And for this, I don't want any outline. Don't want any fill. I will turn on the background. I will change the color to something like this, and I will make the transparency somewhere around 50%. So if you look at this, when I make it as a 50%, so now you can see it's something like a masked layer anamata. So oka layer form ainatuga report paina you can see it something like that. Okay, or else if you want some more darker shade of it, you can go for it. So let me make some 30%. Okay, this is some masked layer that we have created on top of this. Okay, so now what I will be doing is I will be going with a text box. For example, I am talking about this button, for example, comedy movies button. Okay, I will place this text box on top of it. Okay, let me adjust it. Okay, now I will write some definition. Tooltip రాసినట్టుగా రాస్తాం అన్నమాట. Okay, in this place you can only see either action movies or comedy movies buttons respectively. ఇది ఒక random తీసుకున్నాను అన్నమాట. It's not a mandatory that it should have some definition or something. I have taken something randomly. Okay, irrespective of what we have discussed. Okay, and ఈ రిపోర్ట్ లో ఈ పర్టికులర్ బటన్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాను దాన్ని మనం ఒక కామెంట్ పెట్టాం అనమాట ఇక్కడ. Okay, let me give it some border as well. Okay, about this visual, I have created one comment like this. And along with this, I need to have one more visual, copy paste. ఇది వర్క్ మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ అయ్యి మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది బేసిక్గా వాట్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ హియర్ ఈస్. సో నౌ ఐ విల్ ప్రొవైడ్ వన్ మోర్ ఆప్షన్ లైక్ క్లిక్ ఎనీవేర్ ఆన్ ద గ్రే ఏరియా టు go back to normal view. Okay, let me increase its size, decrease its size, and for this I will give some different background, some like orange shade, and I will change font to white. Okay, so now what I have written is, so enti anante basically what I am trying to do here is, if someone click on this information button, then it should display this kind of masked layer to explain each visual. After explaining each visual, it should go back to the normal view. Okay, now I will call this as a now let me go to view, bookmarks and selection, and I will call this as a information view, info view. So let me add a bookmark now. So it will be info. Just give it, I'm giving it as info. Means if I click on this information button, this should show me this screen. Okay. Now if I add all this, first this text box, and then the second one is this text box, and then the shape. After adding all these three, after hiding all these three, I will be creating one more bookmark. I will call it as a default. This is the default view of the dashboard. Okay. Now if I click on this info button, I want this info bookmark should work. So after selecting this info button, you can go to this actions, and here in the type you can go for the bookmark, and in bookmark I will be going to info and turn off this. And for this shape, which is this shape, and for this shape I will be providing one more action saying like bookmark, and what it should do is it should go to the default state and turn off the tooltip. So if I click on this gray area, it should go to the default state. Okay, so let's cross check whether the function whether the actions are applied properly or not. Now if I am a third person, if I wanted to understand this report, let me see what is there in this I button. So if I click on this info button, it will show me some mask layer and show me some information like this. In this place you can see, you can only see either action movies or comedy movies buttons respectively. Respectively in the sense, if it is action movies title, we will see comedy movies matter. And click anywhere on the gray area to go back to the normal view. This provide చేయకపోతే నాకు Power BI తెలుసు కాబట్టి I will go somewhere and I can edit, and you also know Power BI, so you can go edit. But always dashboard ఒక layman language లో, layman thought process లో develop చేయాలి. Who don't know anything about Power BI, he should understand it better. Okay, so for that purpose you need to provide that. And now if I click on this gray area, it will come back to the normal view. This is the normal view, and these two buttons will also work. ikkada kuda comedy buttons unnai kada, ee comedy button మీద క్లిక్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ వచ్చాయి కదా, ఇవి మనము హైడ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ బుక్ మార్క్ ని అప్డేట్ చేయాలన్నమాట. ఇప్పుడు యాక్షన్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఇవన్నీ వస్తున్నాయి కదా, సో ఐ నీడ్ టు హైడ్ దీస్ త్రీ అండ్ అప్డేట్ యాక్షన్. అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ సెలెక్ట్ కామెడీ, ఇట్ విల్ షో, మీరు కొత్తగా ఏవైతే యాడ్ చేస్తారో అవి ఆటోమేటిక్గా చూపిస్తాయి అనమాట. You need to hide them and update comedy. That's it. So now the things are sorted. So info button, going back, info, going back, info, going back. Now action movies right now and comedy movies, action, comedy. నేను చెప్పినంత ఈజీ అయితే కాదు ఇది, I know. It will be a bit painful, like you need to go through each one step, and it's not like ఏదో ఒక స్టెప్ ముందు చేసి ఒక స్టెప్ తర్వాత చేయడానికి, no way. You need to follow all the steps one by one. So please go through this. You may need to create a lot. I mean, you may need to put more efforts while creating a bookmark, but bookmark knowledge is very helpful. It will help. It will help you. It's so we need to understand this. And మీకు ఇంటర్వ్యూలో కూడా ఇదే అడుగుతారు. So what is the steps to create a bookmark? They may ask, like you can saying like first I will be creating the report. First I will be creating the report. After creating the report, I will be I mean, if I wanted to hide any visuals or slides, slices, I will hide them. And after that, I mean, in the selection panel, I will hide them, and then I will add the bookmark. Then I will provide that action to those buttons. So ఇవన్నీ స్టెప్స్ మీరు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి. సో మీరు బెటర్ గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినప్పుడు యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ డౌన్ యువర్, ఎందుకంటే బుక్ మార్క్స్ కి ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ లిమిట్ స్టాండర్డ్ నోట్స్ దట్ వీ కెన్ సేవ్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఫర్ దిస్ బటన్ బుక్ మార్క్ వీ హ్యావ్ few set of steps, and for this info bookmark we have another set of steps. So we have different set of steps for each operation, so we may need to go through them. So definitely you need to practice it. Okay, any questions guys at this point of time? Okay, yeah. So after this, I would like to start with the service environment. So basically I will show you how the service environment look like and what are the things that you need to do you will be doing in service environment. For example, imagine this is your dashboard. This is what you need to deliver. Okay, so once the dashboard is completely ready, you need to save this report somewhere, and let me save it on my desktop saying example. I'm saving it with the name of example, and let me save this. So step one, before going to the service environment, we need to publish it to the service environment. Before that, you need to log into the Power BI desktop. Okay, this is one of my friend's credential that I'm using. Okay, so for the demo purpose, I have taken it from him. So this is what with those credentials I have logged in it. And now when I'm trying to publish, so first thing is I need to log in here either for your ID, like either for Accenture.com, Infosys.com, TCS.com. With that particular ID, you need to log in. And then once your report is completely ready, so let me rename this as well, home something. No need to rename a mandatory angle, but just for naming convention, I am renaming it. Now if I click on publish, so it asks for save. Now it will show me where I wanted to publish. I should publish. So is there any other workspace should I publish? So there are different workspaces. What are the workspaces is like your client will provide you any workspace if you need to publish it in any particular workspace. Otherwise, you can publish it in my workspace and grant access to your colleagues or the managers. Okay, so I will select my workspace and click select. Now it will start publishing to Power BI service. Okay, I mean, basically publishing to Power BI is nothing but publishing to Power BI service. So it has published it successfully, and it will show you open this example. Okay, so don't open this. Let's go in another way. Let's go to this. You can go to Power BI service from here as well, or else you can go to browser. And what is the web URL for Power BI service? Any idea? What is the website for Power BI service?
app.powerbi.com.